Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to record cost of goods sold or COGS in your QuickBooks Online or even in QuickBooks. So, of course, you need to be logged into your account, and once you're in your dashboard, you might be wondering, okay, which one do I click here, especially if you're a beginner. Don't need to click anything here. You just go to the search option here and just type in journal entry, because that's what we need to do, is to create a journal entry. So the very first option here is create journal entry. So this is what we are going to click. So once we are here, you want to choose journal date, right? And in journal date, the first option under account is you need to type in cost. So the first option is going to say cost of sales. In QuickBooks Online might directly say cost of goods, but if you see here, cost of sales is pretty much cost of goods sold, right? So that is what we are looking for, COGS, right? So you don't need to find like cost of goods. It's not going up here, right? It's going to be cost of sales, right? So click on cost of sales, enter the amount here, debits, credits, description, and the name. So once you enter the amount here, for example, 1,000, right? And so on and so forth. Once you've entered every single number, click save and new. So that's all you need to do to create a cost of goods account. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.